Look
tiny shop.
at this. Auntie, what call people name?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Excitement.